The Urban Development Corporation, in association with the Jamaica Information Service, presents UrbanScope. Fort Clarence Beach, located in the Hellshire area of Portmore, St. Catherine, is like an oasis for patrons.
I've been coming to the Hellshire Beach area now for over 45 years. It is my getaway place for solitude, for meditation, for relaxation. I like the fact that it has a large beach area. It also has a long front on the beach which allows me some jogging facilities. It's also beautiful, and I find there's no harassment.
It's far from the maddening crowd. There's a little place to retreat. I find early mornings quite good.
It is for these reasons and more why the Urban Development Corporation, UDC, is embarking on a multi-million-dollar upgrading of the Fort Clarence Beach. One aspect of the work was recently put up for tender, and the work will begin in phases to make the visitor experience even more memorable and exciting.
Phase 1, we will be constructing a new administrative building, and Phase 2, we will be upgrading the entrance facade, upgrading our sanitary facilities, providing additional concessionaire facilities, and upgrading our recreational park. And Phase 3, we will be looking at constructing a new recreational house.
Phase 1 will be done at a cost of approximately $15 million, and once the work begins, it will last anywhere between 4 to 6 months. The budget is still being finalized for the other two phases, but they're expected to last for 18 months. The upgrading project supports the long-term vision of making the Fort Clarence Beach Park a more interactive environment with value-added amenities.
Which is why we are pursuing various development activities to position or reposition ourselves as a premier family and leisure entertainment facility within the Kingston metropolitan region and broader within Jamaica and the Caribbean.
The 8-acre property has so much more to offer than sun, sea, and sand. The recreational park caters to the entire family, plus the beach park area can be used for football or volleyball, and the large parking area is quite adequate.
That allows us to provide a unique value proposition to our customers, especially combined with the fact that we are a licensed beach facility and we have certified lifeguards on location. We provide sanitary facilities and we have security here as well. So it's a one-stop shop.
And there is more to the offerings of the property.
One popular purpose for which patrons use Fort Clarence is for special events. Could be parties, could be meetings, or just a simple get-together to enjoy some good vibes and have a good time. We have a broad range of culinary offerings. We have the traditional fried fish and bami, as well as a range of other seafood. But for those who are not particularly interested in the seafood, we have other meals available such as a jerk chicken, fried chicken, curry chicken, etc.
The facility is open Wednesdays to Fridays from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. and on Saturdays and Sundays from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Entrance fee is $100 for patrons 4 to 12 years and $250 for those aged 13 and over. And with the summer holidays fast approaching,
our patrons should come out, enjoy the facility, relax, take a break from the busyness of the day-to-day life, and just have a good time and enjoy some good vibes.
The Urban Development Corporation, making development happen within its creational facilities for our enjoyment. To learn more about the work of the Urban Development Corporation, call 656-8031 or visit their website at udcja.com. You may also follow them on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and Instagram, or visit their information center on the ground floor, Kingston Mall, downtown Kingston. UrbanScope was brought to you by the Urban Development Corporation in association with the Jamaica Information Service.